Where I almost shot myself. Remember the time? Oh, the mandem are there. Oh, the pickup truck. I told a guy to sell me that. But...
Hey guys, tonight we are at a Project 6 car meet. And
yeah.
I want to show you guys this truck, which is it's a 1J.
Oh, I'm in love.
Truck,
you can't really see it.
which Johnny has always wanted a 1J truck.
Oh, we're gonna build one. We're gonna build one for sure. One day. Yeah, we are Project 6. Sick meat.
No, you don't need that trailer. Just drive it home and rip up the plates when you get there. Yeah. That's what I told them. So they did that.
Love this truck. I'm not a big fan of green, but this green is lit.
A lot of green.
Painted it. They painted it black first, and
yeah,
then they lay all the shit on
it's
it.
a dark.
And there's like 3 pearls and all kinds of stuff happening. In the daytime, it's just really
yeah, no.
kind of cool. The paper for 58. 58. And then I told him I couldn't get out.
I really like them. Yeah, if you put the spacer on,
Yeah,
it's gonna. Yo, it's gonna look lit.
Oh, it's a selling it?
Oh, you're asking for yourself. That's okay. You can always.
Honestly, look.
He's blowing up all the time. That's why I went.
Where?
So my very first car was a Toyota Celica, and it was exactly like this, but in red. I did.
Plates on it today.
Today?
Plates on it when I got home.
Spencer's girlfriend Priscilla. This is her. She just got it.
What the front? Hey, what's up?
I know you have one right
Yeah.
here. Hi, Johnny.
How you doing?
Hello.
Oh, that's your son?
I love
I
it.
see your puppies all
I picked it up last weekend.
Sick.
Like 1,000 of them on it. That's pricey. Look at mine.
Now look at yours. How many?
And like she asked for no tapioca and they gave her tapioca and they still gave it to us.
Are you selling it?
No,
They're reading the
I only have one. They're reading the perf book. And this is this. If you look at this, it's neon. See,
Oh.
Can I picture that?
yeah, go ahead.
Dub it up.
Why?
That looks funny.
Oh, this one?
This one is like.
No, it's reflective. It's,
Yeah.
it's cool.
Reflective. And she has one too.
I don't know if I'll put. I already have. That's my guy right there. That's my dude. And I have the cat, the midnight runner cat.
What do you want? Put it on my back.
There's a lot of stickers.
Oh, I'll pay you. I have money.
I'll put on my IS300.
I have $1.
Put on my IS300 before anything else. IS. My Lexus, the 2J.
Just saying that apparently it's good.
GTS or
Which
GTR?
is what?
Oh shit! Yo.
What else you got around here?
Look what he saw.
Oh. I don't like looking at these cars in real life, man, because I get tempted.
Yeah,
It's a GTR.
yeah, it's a GTR. Tell by the front end.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oof. I'm wet. My heart is beating.
I love this freaking car.
It looks so much.
You know what?
like
Let's
my
go. Let's go
beard.
get coffee. I can't. You gonna move your car?
My car's feeling lonely, so I'm gonna move it.
Yeah, well. It's a good idea. Come on, them. Yo, Bredgens. Where's all these guys? Oh, now everybody comes. When we're gonna move the car.
Too far.
Yo! Your tires popped. Such an idiot. Yo, I thought that guy's tires popped, but never mind. I know, I saw it, the airbag. That's sick. We're gonna put the winky eyes. Oh, she popped the hood, eh? Yo! There's a 2J. No, 1J. No J. There's no J yet.
No J.
Not a J there yet.
No J.
Not a J yet. In a few months it will be a 1J in there.
Few months.
It's so dark you can't see anything. Not exactly what she's doing. Winky winky. Yeah, we bought rims for this white Supra. I have rims now. Well, I don't have them yet, but like.
What kind of rims are they?
What are they again?
It's for Stones, ES2s.
Yeah, that whatever
High
he
quality.
said. Whatever he said, those are the rims I'm getting.
Yeah. I have a list.
I wanted them too, and
I also
was gonna
Googled
get.
it too.
I mean,
I wanted it first.
I need rims because I have 16s. I can't drive with that, bro. You know how funny? You know, like when people do exercise and they forget leg day. That's how my car looks right now. It's stupid. It's like knobby.
I mean, look at that.
You guys must like Starbucks. Yeah, you want to go get Starbucks, Paul? Yeah, you want Starbucks car?
That time is.
When I have a lot of money, I'm gonna buy that.
Which one?
This A86 Pro. You know when I was a kid, there was one by my street. The guy was asking $700. Yeah. And I told my dad, buy it. And my dad's like, no, that's garbage. That's no more. Like I was like a kid. I was like 10 years old. My dad's like, no.
Yeah, you were about to get it.
No more old cars. that guy wanted it $700. It was actually old lady. I was a kid. I was 10 years old. I didn't have money. Yo, it was silver. I remember. It was an 86. Ah.
Flippy light. Flippy light.
It's close.
It's closed?
What's the next street? Let's just go back to
Lose.
Okay, so rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Whoever win.
No, I
gets
always
to
lose.
drive
Why
my
you
car
always
back
gotta?
home.
No.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. It's
I
fair.
always lose.
It's fair.
Fine, let's go.
Okay.
Watch, I'm gonna lose.
night is enough.
Rock, paper, scissors. See? I told you. I always lose.
win.
Again. It's
Okay.
3 times.
3, okay.
The first one was just to practice.
Okay, it's just a practice. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock,
paper, scissors. I never win at shit.
Guess
Like-
tonight wasn't the night.
The only medal I got is for participation. Like that's it. I didn't even do anything.
I remember Gabby's
I was laying down on the floor. You fainted.
Okay, well-
Thank you guys for that. Anyways, I was like,
He was there.
He,
I was there.
yeah, well, he fainted.
I was there. But I fainted. I hit my head somewhere.
He actually did
Yeah.
faint.
Yo, I
yeah.
fainted, bro. I
Fainted
was
in
like-
the parking lot.
yeah. And then like hit my head somewhere.
Okay, well, I'll let you drive it back home then.
Why? Cause you feel bad now?
Yeah, I did feel bad.
Okay, fine.
Because
I'll
you
drive.
fainted.
I'll
so
drive it because like I fainted and stuff. So it's only fair.
Oh, that's his way to.
That's
Yo, that's like it's a guilt trip, you know.
What if he faints
Oh,
driving?
buddy, my ears.